I still a give you an ultimatum, you know. I still a give you an ultimatum because you threatened me a while ago. You call my phone, you threaten me, and tell me say, me can't go back to Jamaica.
But I follow foot hype on this cartel. I don't follow nobody on this two cartel. And really and truly, I never this cartel, I just a vent. You see it? I just a vent. I've put up with so much over the years, and I shall put up with no more.
And she said she want everything where I promise her. Come cartel is either the jelly or the body.
Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, Lisa Hype went live twice this morning, and she's venting again. Say she got threatened, and she said she put up with a lot throughout the years, and she now put up no more. She want what is owed to her. So we have a lot to get into. Fans reacting on TikTok and all of that. If it's the first time on my channel, click the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also turn on your post notification bell, leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share.
But I follow foot hype on this cartel. I don't follow nobody on this two cartel. And stop call up foot hype name. Stop call up the man name. Cause me tag him. And me tag foot hype. And me tag foot hype. And really and truly, I never this cartel, I just a vent. You see it? I just a vent. I've put up with so much over the years, and I shall put up with no more. Yeah. No more I not put up with. I work for mine. I work very hard for mine. And him going to give me all away. I work so hard for me reap. And myself sow. As I say, I never did a this him. I just did a vent. Never did a this him. I just did a vent. Everybody vent, don't it? You see me? Just did a vent, and after all that I've been through, you must just understand, you know? You must just understand and be happy and living life with see them, because me free and happy, and me I live my life with who me for live it with, you see me? Man, me no emotional. Me just feel like a time for me be vulnerable and show my fans them raw emotion, you see me? Yeah, just feel like a time for my fans them feel the pain when me I go through, you see me? Yeah.
So after that rant, she went live again. But before we get into that clip, you notice how she roll up her finger and like me know she said something about alright a time for she love who she want, love her do with who she want there with. So who Lisa engaged with, can me see somebody that text and I say, yo, me like your ring. But then, I don't know, maybe she just a troll. See, I don't know, maybe she just a troll. But after that live, fans reacted on TikTok, and this is what some of them had to say. Check this out.
I come today again, you know. Cartel give Lisa Hype where promise her. The lady says she reap and she shall sow. She says she reap and she shall sow. And she put up with a lot. A whole heap of things she put up with. That I was just up on my live over there, so. Or on my screen recording. Yeah, she put up a lot. So you look like you put her through a lot. And she said she want everything where promise her. Come cartel is either the jelly or the body. Or both of them. Because it only a foreign and you over so and she over there so. And it look like say that kind of lick up here so. But then again, Lisa, come here man. Me see a lot of trouble at Vanessa Bling. You really sang the cartel right, give Vanessa Bling, you know, say I eat the girl that use her to her world. I eat her to her world, you know. She not trouble nobody. She a run a little song them and she a make her money. Left her alone, man. Vanessa Bling not trouble nobody. Lisa, man. At this point, you know, me not even know who you want. If you want Dexter, you want Cartel. Make up your mind who you want. Or you want it two of them. Come, man. But Cartel look like you promise. Lisa something before you go over foreign, you know, and she never get it. So mama would feel like a pipe. Come Kartel, give lady where you are. Yeah, the lady says she reap and she shall sow. So come man, make up your mind. Is it the body or the jail or two of them? Come, me no know. I wish she say, yeah, can't bother we don't know.
A few hours after that, she posted a video with the song with Queen Africa singing, saying, you know, me not gonna box you down, baby. We just want to hold it down, baby. And then she posted a caption saying, toxicity, but I love it. Me don't know who she talk. So then she went live again and say somebody threatened her and said she can't come back to Jamaica. And Kartel unfollow her. So check this out.
Address one umbre name Levels. The same umbre when name Levels. What my Vybz soul cry for. Levels. You have basically 2 hours, 3 hours for left New York, New Jersey where you're there. If I still a give you an ultimatum, you know. I still a give you an ultimatum because you threatened me a while ago. You call my phone, you threaten me and tell me say me can't go back to Jamaica. Zine? You just call my phone and threaten me and tell me say me can't go back to Jamaica. First, I know everything I connect to me, you know, cause remember, you know, you did sign Denique, you know, and make Denique put on shirt with watermelon and my brother face, popcorn face, and I this my brother popcorn, you know. Everything I add up now. Zine? So Levels, here what me I go tell you say now. You see soul cry. Make we just split soul cry 50-50 percentage. Make Norman from Apilus know say 50% of soul cry for go to my record label. Because members say out of the money where Vybz Kartel give me use and do promotion for soul cry. And me know how much money out of the money where Kartel give me use for soul cry. For promotion, marketing. So, a 50-50. Me know how much money me spend. Zine? And if you're bad, threaten me again. If you're bad, threaten me again. If you're bad. If you're bad, just threaten me again. Because remember, you know, you make country girl lick out body, so good Denique. This my brother, you know. Zine. And she run go fuck Javi ambassador. Remember you tell me the whole of the girl business, you know. She run go fuck Javi ambassador. And forget it song with Alkaline and Alkaline no gear no song. Zine, you remember you call me and tell me the people them business. You call my phone and threaten me again and tell me say me can't go back to Jamaica. Just do that one more time. Me no care. Me no care who your mother be. You see me? Principle, a principle. And at that with some of other people, you see when you don't have power, you don't abuse the power you don't have. You must stop it. You must stop it. Look how me I deal with your good dog. Look how me I deal with your good. Look how me deal with your good. And you turn around and come and threaten me. For what? Through you and I acting them my friends. So everything I add up now. Everything I add up now, you know. Yo, you never see smoke without fire. Make sure me get a call from Norman from Apilus. Make sure me get a call. And don't threaten me again. Don't threaten me again. Don't threaten me again. You don't know how I've been through, so I'm paranoid and me have my people, them don't want nobody to trouble me right now. Them don't want nobody to trouble me right now. You see me? Them don't want nobody, them don't want not even my head hurt me right now. So you have to be careful right now. Right now, my people, them just want me to heal and want to hold my meditation and just put out music. So make we try lower for the we no make we go down the violent road. Zine?
Lisa hype. Me see you forward out and say you chick way. But guess what? Me have news for you. You chick yourself. We know damage control when we see it. And we can tell you this, your relationship on the Gaza will never be the same. Not even your brother Silver, Sean Storm, not just you. The Gaza have Foota Hype as an enemy, and him may run to and disclose you and Kartel business. Obviously, you are giving man ammunition to use against the Gaza. No disrespect, mama, but the truth of the truth, you betray the Gaza big time. And the next thing, what you mean, say you're happy so Kartel finds them, so now you can move on with your life. It looked like it did have it in mind, so when Kartel free up from prison and call the relationship with Shorty a day, and you gonna get the ring. You ever see smoke without fire, people? Now everything makes sense, and that's why she did disrespect Shorty last year, because she feel like when Kartel fought from prison, she did gonna get the ring.
Yeah, people, so that are it for now for the Lisa saga. Remember when they went Beenie Man and him daughter and him wife did a cuss and sitting, and she never addressed Beenie Man daughter about the allegation about she cheating, but she run out Pangaza Nation and say, yo, I'm gonna always defend my man. This is what she said. Check this out.
So,
Pure tea.
So, do you know what? I have a message for you, the people that would come on my page when I post my stuff. And if I want to post about my partner, I want to post anything. When you come on my page, call Beenie Man name, then I stop defend him. I'm gonna defend him right through. So I'm sorry for no. See me owner defend who you guys choose to defend. I saw me defend Beenie Man right there, so you hear that? So anytime on stop, call up Beenie Man name and come over my page or even Beenie Man page and decide for come and stop making a point, whatever. I don't want to be disrespectful. Then I stop. Call, whenever we stop here, I defend him. But I will be defending my partner right through. So I got sick of that.
Hey, Jamaica always a keep. Every scroll, me laugh. As something ever they keep, something festive. What really I go on down here? Anyways, tell me your thoughts on that below. That's it for now. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you leave a like on the video. Comment down on your thoughts on the entire Lisa and Beenie Man and data, everything. Tell me what you thought. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates. And I'll see you next time. Bye.